Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you face a problem that your iPhone not connecting to your Wi-Fi after iOS 18 update. So simply when you update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version, but your Wi-Fi disconnected and you are unable to connect it. So simply you may just click here on settings, and guys, first of all you may just click here on your Wi-Fi and you may check my Wi-Fi is connecting properly. So you may just click here on your Wi-Fi name, and here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and connect it again, and guys you may check your problem will be fixed. The second method is, guys, you may just change the password of your Wi-Fi and you may put new password here and you may check your problem will be fixed. The third method is, guys, you may click here on auto join, you may turn this on, then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of limited IP address tracking, so you may turn this on, and guys you may check all settings from here, and then guys you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods also, then guys you may click here on general and you may click here on transfer and reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings, and then guys you may check your Wi-Fi will be connected automatically. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods also, then guys you may click here on general and you may click here on software update, and guys you may turn off beta updates from here and you may update your iPhone to latest officially iOS 18 version, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.